and I am Charlie. Okay, and she is my niece. My very good niece.
My very good niece!
Do you know this? Peace up, you!
Peace up, yo! It's a video. Yeah, we love each other so much. And we miss you, Kirsten. We miss you.
Kirsten.
We miss you,
Wait. That's for Kirsten! Kirsten rules!
I miss you.
I miss you.
And Ate Janelle.
And Ate Janelle.
Tita. For you, it's Tita. See? It's Tita. We are at Christina's home.
Oh, wait.
Can you see the babies?
Kirsten.
The babies. Show the babies. The babies.
Those are my sister. She's so very sad. Oh, and my twin sister upstairs. She's my twin sister.
Where's the daddy bear? Daddy
I'm
bear.
allergic to stuffed toys. So, miss you. We miss you a lot, Kirsten and Tita Janelle.
Show your
Bye-bye. Oh, Kirsten, before we leave,